The Gaza Strip is often in the news for the Palestinian struggle for statehood, but this story is about the common people of Gaza. During the coronavirus pandemic, Osama Ayoub, a professional boxer, started boxing lessons for young girls in Gaza. So how have the people of Gaza responded to this initiative? This report tells you more.
With health clubs and gymnasiums shut due to COVID-19, Osama Ayoub started boxing lessons for girls in the open in the month of May. In the open patch along the coast, a group of girls, some as young as 5 years, jab and punch as they hone their skills. When Osama Ayoub started his lessons, just 4 girls had signed up. But now he trains more than 35 young girls. Boxing is a contact sport, so the biggest concern was to ensure that the training was done by following all COVID-19 precautions.
During the coronavirus period, we had to train here to teach girls boxing. We took safety precautions by wearing masks and practicing from a distance. I now have 35 girls in my class.
The young girls have picked up the skills very quickly. Osama Ayoub wants them to compete in tournaments.
We have a tournament coming up, the first in Palestine. We will participate in tournaments in 2021. We have a tournament in Kuwait and we will take part in it for the first time for the Gaza Strip.
For youngsters cooped up in the confines of their homes, this is a welcome change. Instead of missing out on their sessions, training in open is a safer option.
I liked the sport to others because when I was little, I loved doing this sport. I told my mother and father that I wanted to learn it and they encouraged me to practice. And when I saw girls on YouTube playing this sport, I loved it even more.
With a population of over 2 million, the Gaza Strip has reported just over 3,000 infections and 22 fatalities. Hamas, which governs this part of Palestinian land, did not impose a complete lockdown. For a region plagued by political conflict, the human stories of how common people live in Gaza get overshadowed by stories of violence and turmoil. But these youngsters of Gaza wish to change that. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.